it out, babes, and welcome back to another video. Today, y'all, I don't even know, but just come on a journey with me once again. So yeah, it's about to get real. Yeah, y'all, we're going on a road trip.
You gonna do my hair out there?
Yeah. So we're going on a road trip, and y'all gonna see what it consists of. But first, we're doing some Instacarts because we're waiting on Mayan. Y'all will see who Mayan is because y'all don't know her. So, yeah. Well, y'all do know her, but y'all don't. So, little baby right here. Mm-hmm.
Is it lovely?
Yep. Yeah, y'all, just come on our trip with us. Y'all, what do they be doing? I don't know. They gotta explain that. Y'all, look at the pumpkins. They are so big. These are the biggest pumpkins I done seen. Then they only $3.99. They trying to rip us off here for these pumpkins though. And then they be having some bad pumpkins like, let me see if I can find some bad pumpkins for y'all. Like these right here. Why would y'all even let us know? But these is like the girl pumpkins, the funny looking ones. But that most of them pumpkins look like this one right here. Or they would just be having a whole lot of bumps on them, looking like a little witch with a whole lot of what's the names on them? I might insert a picture to show y'all what I'm talking about.
Yeah, it came in this stuff.
It's a sugar cane, y'all. I don't know what it is.
You gotta chew it.
Okay.
This how they chew it. How you do that? What is this?
Oh, that's that thing that Sunny tried or somebody tried.
It might be sunny.
Look, y'all, we really don't have this stuff in
fruit
America. Yeah, it's a jackfruit. I think you just eat these. Oh, I seen it on TikTok or something.
No, it was sunny, I think. We can walk around, cause which one you get?
The Honey Crisp, cause I know I like Honey Crisp apples.
I don't know what Pink Lady is.
Oh, y'all, look, we got these.
Then they fucking look at them, they dry. Zoom in on them.
Then they got pomegranates. We're not getting on it. Okay, y'all, so we're at Lowe's. We're doing an Instacart. We will be going out of town tomorrow. Little delay. We will get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I don't know if I'm going to vlog that experience. I might not. Depends on how I'm feeling. Real life, because if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Road trip vibes. I switched my outfit, but I'm gonna put the same thing on that I had when y'all see me the first time. So y'all, stay tuned. Peace. Got 14 hours, 10 minutes, 964 miles, and we'll get there at 6:54, but we really not, because you gotta stop and get gas. So okay, y'all, so we are in Memphis, about to cross the bridge to Arkansas. The bridge is over there. I'll show y'all when we get on it. Huh? Is it on there? I got a little train, y'all. I want to get on it, but I know.
But they got another one down there too.
Yeah, y'all, so we in the little center.
Hurry up.
It ain't a rest. Okay.
Me, gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more, I don't know.
y'all. We in Arkansas. I'll put the location in there. But look at all of it.
Like
It just looks like a white sea.
It looked like it just snowed or something.
You look over here. It ain't as much, but it is something.
We get 8 hours, really 7. So
You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah.
we got the eggs. 4 eggs. Then we got 5 little chickens. That's gonna be with the eggs, salad, chicken salad. Okay, y'all, so here's the chicken.
Right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah.
I know, because I was watching 3 videos at
Okay, y'all,
once.
so
It's crazy.
look. I showed it to chicken with my fingers. I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but okay, y'all, so here's the lettuce. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. So next, we're gonna take our little chickens. Oh man, I'm gonna drop 2 pieces. Okay, y'all, so it's what we're looking like right now. Yep. I said I know. So this is what we looking like without the ranch. So. Okay, y'all. We got our little salads. They looking a little good right now, but
Yeah, you can put it, baby.
I'll see you in the next video, though, babes.